What's up guys, Shane Starnes here with Droid Modder X, and early reviews of the Galaxy S9 are already in, and for the most part, there's nothing but good things to say about the Galaxy S9. However, I'm noticing a few things that many people are bringing up as cons of the Galaxy S9. These are the 5 biggest problems with the Galaxy S9. Let's go ahead and get started. The major selling point for the Galaxy S9 is the dual aperture camera. You've got f1.5 aperture for low light situations, and you've got f2.4 aperture for more well-lit scenarios. The camera even has the ability to switch between the two f-stops automatically depending on the current situation, which is pretty impressive. Samsung has paired this with a multi-frame processing software, which removes all grain and noise from your low light images, and it actually does an incredible job at removing noise from those low light images. The only issue is that images do turn out to look a little over-processed, and what I mean by that is they are not as sharp as they should be. The processing actually tends to soften those images quite a bit. With future updates, Samsung will probably tweak on the camera and make it even better than it already is. The second problem has to do with the front-facing camera. Samsung's given us an 8-megapixel camera that takes pretty decent images. It's whenever you try to do the portrait photo on the front-facing camera, it just doesn't turn out as crispy as other devices like the iPhone 10 or the Pixel 2. In portrait mode, the front-facing camera has a difficult time determining edges, and you're going to end up with blurred ears and blurred hairlines, and it just doesn't take as great of a picture as other phones, especially the Pixel 2. The third problem, once again, has to do with the camera, and specifically the optical image stabilization when recording video with that rear-facing camera. You'll notice that for the most part, all video is super smooth. It almost looks like you're using a gimbal, but at times it will overcorrect and you'll notice a really drastic and sudden jerk in the video footage, almost making that video footage useless. You can actually notice the overcorrection of the optical image stabilization in Super SAF's iPhone 10 versus Galaxy S9 Plus video, which once again, it is a shame that that is an issue. Hopefully that issue can be corrected by a software update. Otherwise, the image stabilization in video recorded is super smooth, some of the smoothest that I've actually seen. The fourth problem has to do with battery life on the Galaxy S9. Earlier reviews are indicating that we're going to be able to get at most 3 to 4 hours of screen on time with moderate use on this phone. Samsung opted to go with a 3000 milliamp hour battery, which is what we got with the Galaxy S8, but we were expecting better performance and battery life on the Galaxy S9 with that Snapdragon 845 processor. This new processor was supposed to bring us 30% better performance, and so far we're just not seeing that. Once again, this is something that Samsung should be able to tweak with updates that are upcoming. The final problem with the Galaxy S9 is not relegated to just the Galaxy S9, but Samsung in general. We know that Samsung has traditionally been slow to update, and here we have the Galaxy S9 is being released with Android 8.0. We've had Android 8.1 on the market now for about 3 months. You would hope that Samsung would have been able to bring 8.1 to the Galaxy S9. We still don't have official Oreo builds for the Note 8 or the Galaxy S8, and Android 8.0 has been out for almost a year now. With Samsung deciding to put their own TouchWiz with their own services like Bixby and their own applications, which basically mirror the applications that Google already provides, we're going to see a setback in the timeliness of updates with the Galaxy S9 and other Samsung devices. So as you guys can see, the Galaxy S9 is an incredible device. It's probably one of the best devices of this year. There's really not a whole lot to complain about this early on with the Galaxy S9, and most of the complaints here can be adjusted with software updates. So we should actually see an improvement in most of these issues. That about wraps it up for this video. If you like the video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel for more content like this in the future. You can find more of me at droidmodderx.com. Follow me on Twitter at droidmodderx. Thanks guys for watching. Be blessed. I will see you in the next one.